What if AI could generate a completely new realistic hairstyle every single time you press generate? In this ComfyUI workflow, we use SDXL Inpainting, intelligent masking, and randomized prompts to transform hairstyles while preserving the same face and identity. Unlike basic hair replacement tools, this setup creates natural-looking results with realistic hair strands, salon-quality textures, layered cuts, curls, bangs, whippers, and modern fashion-inspired styles. The workflow can generate short hair, long layered styles, cinematic waves, pixie cuts, curtain bangs, messy natural looks, or completely unexpected realistic hairstyles. You'll also learn how to improve identity preservation, increase hairstyle variation, avoid plastic-looking hair, and achieve much more believable AI results inside ComfyUI. Perfect for AI portraits, beauty experiments, character design, fashion concepts, and realistic image editing. The workflow download link is available below this video.